Yeah, correct. Me only. Hey people, so we are at this jungle themed restaurant, and it's a very cute place really. If you were to take a look, so this is some paya with kulcha, and uh, there might be a copyright strike on this video because of the music, but music is good really. And this is for the first time ever my child is trying mutton paya. I mean paya, and this is some vegetarian kulcha probably, but both are for my son. Oh, Ayush, you're supposed to dip it in this and have. Yes, because Ayush, we were in Medipatnam, right? In Medipatnam, in Middle Eastern countries, people eat like, they dip in food and have. Can you do that, Chona, so that for you to know the combination? Oh yeah, yeah. I'll have just a small piece.
Okay. Three.
Is it nice? Yeah. That's the whole thing is for you, my sweetheart. I'm glad we're here.
This is a 9 on 10 restaurant.
Really?
Food is good. Ambience is good. Only thing they could improve on was the music.
Yes.
First
But
of all, it'll get us copyrighted and it's good, but then it's not suiting for this theme. So
that's
thanks for watching and please subscribe.
right. Absolutely.